Welcome back to another episode with Paradox the Rapper. Check it out, guys. This week we're up in Lake Tahoe once again. I got these snazzy sunglasses that I got in the North Shore. Ooh, what do you guys think? These are kind of clean, We got Michelle over here, of course, my partner in crime. Look at this beautiful view.
It's so pretty.
It's pretty, honey.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Clouds.
It's all cloudy right now, but I don't know if it's showing up on camera well. This is dope. So we got a car show this week up in South Lake Tahoe, so we're on our way there. We're stopping at the scenic route. We're taking the Audi, of course, because Michelle doesn't like to take my jalopies.
No.
The jalopies have no AC.
Yeah.
Questionable whether they'll make it or not up here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what's the third strike?
What? They're fine.
No.
They're great. They're great drift cars. Don't listen to her. All right, guys. This episode is gonna be pretty fun. I'm gonna film all the people that are going to the show that have used my wrap. So if you guys are looking for like colors that are on cars, a lot of my Instagram followers have bought the wrap and did it themselves or paid someone to do it, and they will be at the show. So we're gonna go and scope out and see who's rocking the Paradox colors. Mike's gonna be there. I heard Fresh Kicks is coming and a whole bunch of other people. Okay, let's see if she can make it. Go. This is mad steep, y'all.
It kind of is. It kind of is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Okay.
Well, she got the. What do you got on those Crocs there?
Okay.
Oh, let me see. Hold on. What are these custom?
Yes.
Custom Crocs, y'all. Okay,
They're so comfortable.
if you want Michelle to make you custom Crocs, hit us in the comments below. Okay, she'll put them on the website. $50. Okay, custom made by hand. All right, guys, we're here at the event. Look, I got my new second pair of ruby shades. So let me know what you guys think about these ones. I got one more. We'll show that at the end so you guys can rate my new sunglasses. Right here, we got the Audi parked next to Mike, of course. We got all the cars cleaned up. So for this one, obviously we're reviewing the colors, so might as well go over our colors. You guys seen this, the Diamond Super Glitter 9000, ooh, with the piano black and the matching piano black over here with the Paracarbon. Ooh, yeah.
I dubbed that name.
Mike did dub that name.
I need residuals, man.
You are getting residuals.
Nah,
go to it.
Those are working residuals, though.
Go to his channel. You'll know what the deal is.
Those are working residuals.
Look at that.
At this point, I need an hourly check, man.
An hourly?
Hey,
you better start rapping.
Hey, percentage.
All right, hey, I got a car coming July 10th. Let's go. You and me rapping.
Huh?
So
Go far now. So I would come, but the way your new house is set up and how far it is, man.
Man, it's not bad. You can just chill in the pool.
Oh, you gonna pay me to chill in the pool? I'll let you.
After 10 hours of good rapping.
I'll let you come by like here and there when you take a break. Film my tits. I'll jump. We'll make it cinematic slow mo.
Oh, we already got some dirties of you in the pool.
You got a half a butt cheek.
All right, guys, there you go. Piano black. Ooh. And we got Fresh Kicks cruising right here somewhere. We're gonna go try and spot him.
He was just right here.
We'll see. We'll see. No one ever spots him. Everyone's late.
Man, everybody vlogging but me, man. I was like, I don't want to vlog.
You want to borrow my camera?
Nah, I like chilling. Like when it comes to, usually when I do meets, I don't really vlog. I like to just come chill with the peoples, man.
Hey, that's because you rich. Paradox got a new house payment.
You got $1 million house. Your house is
on loan. On loan.
Double the cost of mine.
I took out like, God. I took out like 90% loan on that thing.
They see your house and be like, man, that fool Mike hella poor. You need to get like Paradox.
Mike's rich in cars. Look at that.
I ain't even got no pool. That's how poor I am.
What do you mean no pool?
Eventually.
Oh yeah. You can get an above ground pool.
Eventually, Paradise will get tired of me. Like, hey, can I come to your house to go swimming? He gonna stop answering my calls. Like, man, that's what Mike always calling because he want to go swimming.
Hey, I got the armor for the kendo sticks now.
You ready? You been practicing?
Let's go.
Yeah, I'm hyperbolic time chamber.
I'm working up my cardio. so yeah. Next time, I'm ready.
He got whooped last time.
I'll last at least 3 minutes.
That's what she said.
All right, guys, we're over here at Sac City Auto Parts. They are a big sponsor for this event. My man George.
What's up, man? How are you guys doing?
Say what's up to the vlog.
How are you?
George owns Sac City Auto Parts in Sacramento, right?
Yep.
And you got parts for what?
Nissans and Infinitis, a lot of C's, a
Nissans
lot
and
of
Infinitis.
G's too.
I've been trying to get a CDO9 off this guy.
I'll deliver it to you on Tuesday.
Not yet. I'm not ready.
Personally.
I'm not ready yet.
Yeah.
I need another.
Hell yeah! I'm so happy you came because this is going to be epic.
Thank you for putting on the event.
Sure. Hell yeah.
This is the only one of 2 things I'm going to this year because no one else is open.
Yeah.
So it's just this and Race Wars. So I'm glad you guys are running this every year.
I'm so happy you're here for the 2nd year.
Yeah. We're doing this every year?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next year is going to be insane.
This is so sick.
We'll see what happens next year, but this year we're running it.
Hopefully next year I'm good enough to drift this.
Yeah, me too. Because I just got to see and it doesn't do anything.
Ooh, look at that thing. All right, y'all, right here we got the gloss khaki green. Well, almost. I have a version of this. This is Fresh Kicks 350Z. He's cruising around here somewhere, but we'll find him. Ooh, damn. That looks so good. Those work wheels? Very nice, very nice. We found one right here. This is metallic glossy rose pink. Very nice. RSX. She did it herself, or her and her friends. Wow, that is really pink. It's got a nice metallic. So there you go. Those of you guys who are interested in the rose pink, this is what it looks like. I'll be taking pictures of this and put it on Instagram as well. Damn. That's looking good. There you go. Ooh. All right, and right next to the pink, we got the diamond crystal white gold. Yep. It has this kind of golden crystal effect, but overall it looks white, except where the sun hits it. Very nice. All right, so I'm not even sure if this is my color, but I have something very close to this. This is a glossy crystal Tiffany, I believe. I'm not sure if it's gonna come up on camera. All the crystal colors, all the Tiffany colors have issues showing up on camera, but it looks amazing in person. Yo, the midnight purple, yes! Wow, that looks good on S2000. Man, look at that. Ooh! Guys, I might have to do I'm definitely gonna have to do one of the cars in the midnight purple because this just looks way too good. Damn. All right, it's settled. Yo, the Tiffany colors are popular. Now that doesn't look too bad on the Supra. I kind of like it. Ooh. Should we get a Supra?
What? No.
Should we get this Supra?
No.
This BMW Supra? That looks good too. Man. Over here we got Evo Maddie's lime green Evo, chameleon lemon green. What's up, Maddie? Hi. Oh, she got her booth.
Good, how are you?
Hey.
Glad you guys came.
Nice to see you. I'm out here spotting all of my colors.
Right? Lots of people come by and they're like, oh, I should do my car this color. I'm like, I can help you out. Point you in the right direction.
I know, for like 2 months or something like that, everybody was wearing this color. It kind of died off.
That's the bad part about YouTube though. Now people have my color.
Yeah, but now it kind of died off. So.
That's good. You're like, I'm all out of green, sorry.
No, guys, I still have it. If you want this, you know where to get it.
Where are you guys parked? Like right over there?
Yeah, we're by the track.
Did you bring the sparkly one?
Of course I brought the sparkles.
I saw the sparkles from far away.
Which
Yeah.
Are we matching?
What are you talking about? Yours not even up yet.
Diamond glitter.
The diamond glitter.
Yet?
Yeah, not
No,
yet.
I'm saying, did you bring the...
Oh, no, I brought the Audi.
Audi, cool.
Not my bucket.
No, I bring the Audi. The Audi looks good.
Look at all the stuff she's selling.
Yeah. I know.
This is cool. Oh man, look at all your gear. Hey, I like this. I like this little cat thing.
I do too.
Thank you. I have a cat air freshener too.
I want this.
Oh, look at you. Yeah, buy that. If
I
you
don't
want
have, do
it.
you have anything? Do you have your...
You take card, Venmo? Okay. Look at all her gear.
Look at this
I
one.
need this. Oh, look.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, we're making a purchase. Come on down, guys. She rarely holds the booths, but when she does, follow her Instagram. You can buy this online too. Okay. Look at all that free plug-in.
Stickers.
What'd you buy?
Okay, well, the cutest in the world sticker.
Ooh. And you got a shift knob?
I got a shift knob.
Which one?
For the MR2, the colorful little rainbow
This one?
Yeah.
The peacock color?
Yes.
Nice.
And what else did I get?
We got
Air
two
freshener?
Air freshener.
The air fresheners, cutest.
Okay,
Cutest,
okay. Ooh,
And a
nice.
mask
This
because it's
too.
And
cutest.
a cute mask. Oh, and some free products?
A
See,
matching keychain.
Maddie hooks you up.
Maddie, when you coming back on the channel?
Hopefully very soon.
Other than this.
When hopefully after this weekend I make money and I can get my car wrecked.
We're funding her new kit right now,
There
guys.
you go. See, there we go.
There you go.
Go on her website, buy the stuff so she can make her car look cool, and then we'll
That's
wrap
right.
it.
Ooh, and you gotta come visit.
Our new drop, Throttle Therapy, is July 9th. It's
Okay.
gonna be fire.
July 9th.
Automotive inspired.
Okay. I'll try to get this video out before that. All right, thanks,
So thank
Maddie.
you guys. I'll come over there later.
All right. Look at that, guys. This is why we bring the cars out here. Everyone wants to pose next to it. So people have been trying to kick me out of this spot, but I think I'm just gonna conveniently forget to move it. That one guy that works here. But
I thought, what's his name?
oh yeah, well George says I can do it, so it's fine.
I know you're behind that. I didn't want to.
That's what I'm talking about. Much better. We're back home, guys. I did leave the event a little early because it was getting way too hot. But when I left, I didn't realize that I would have won a prize later on.
We took the C6 out there and we actually took home a trophy. Let me show y'all. Show y'all right here. Bam. We took home the trophy for best American car or muscle, whatever you want to call it. And then Paradox left early, but Paradox also took home a trophy for People's Choice Award. Me and my boy Paradox both got trophies.
The Audi is so glittery. Everyone loved it. Like, I caught some people on camera, like taking pictures with the car, but it was literally every other person that walked by, they were posing next to it. They were just touching the diamond glitter because it's really unbelievable in person. You really need to check this out if you have not seen it in person. It is wild. Okay, what do you guys think about this final pair of glasses? Huh? These are pretty sick. I'm digging them. I'm digging them. But huge thanks to Aces High Rally, George from Sac City Auto Parts, all the people that organized that event. That's such a dope event. Huge thanks for the prize of People's Choice, guys. I'm sorry I wasn't able to be there. Those of you guys who were like, hey, Paradox, I watch your channel. Yo, what's up, yo? Huge thanks to you guys for subscribing to the channel and watching me do all of my shenanigans. And I'm just like you, okay? I'm just some dude who's just too cheap to pay someone to do it for me, so I learned how to do it myself. So that could be you guys. Do me a favor, y'all. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Go buy a roll of wrap and give it a try. And if you guys didn't see me this time, catch me next time at Race Wars at the Sacramento Raceway. I'll link that event below as well as this one. If you can't make it Race Wars, then I will most likely be in Tahoe again next year for the next Aces High Rally. So until next time, y'all, like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys later.